Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about the best way to measure insulin resistance. Now of course you can go through blood tests and go through that, but there's another indicator of insulin resistance that's pretty darn accurate, and it has to do with the waist-height ratio. Okay? You're basically going to divide your waist into your height in inches. Okay? And here's the chart right here. Just make sure when you use a tape measure that you measure at the level of the belly button where your stomach is totally relaxed and you're not trying to suck it in or anything. And then you just divide this number by this number, and then see where you are on the chart. This is male, this is female, and you can see if you're highly obese, extremely overweight, healthy, slender and healthy, extremely thin, okay? And then anything from this point up means more and more insulin resistance. Anything down here is normal and healthy, and your insulin is sensitive, it's working, all right? So use this instead of just weighing yourself. It's much more accurate. Thanks for watching. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Keep spreading the word and share this video.